Hi kids, today we are going to revise our lesson 13 and 14, which means our environment and Mother Earth keep it green. Now let's recall our 13th lesson, our environment. Our environment is made up of living things and non-living things. What's meant by living things? Yes, plants, animals, human, etc., isn't it? And non-living things means table, chair, fan, etc. Our environment is changing day by day because increase in population, isn't it? Many trees are being cut to make the land available for building houses and constructing new factories. Due to increase in population, the number of vehicles running on the road also increasing frequently. This results in increase in the amount of smoke and harmful gases, garbage, and other waste materials. Day by day, these activities are making the land, water, and air polluted. Okay. What is meant by pollution? Once again, I'll repeat. What is pollution? Pollution means the presence of harmful substances in land, water, and air that can cause harm to humans and other living organisms is called pollution. Pollution என்னது? நிலம், நீர், காற்று இதெல்லாம் ஏதாவது ஒரு விஷயமோ ஒரு பொருளோ மாசுபடுத்துச்சுன்னு சொன்னால் அதுக்கு பேர் pollution. And what is pollutant? Yes, the harmful substances that cause pollution of air, water, and land are called pollutants. எதெல்லாம் மாசுபடுத்துதோ காற்று, நீர், நிலம் இதெல்லாம் எது மாசுபடுத்துதோ அதுக்கு பேர் பொல்யூட்டன்ட். அதனால இது மாசுபட்டுதுன்னா அதுக்கு பேர் பொல்யூஷன். Okay, now let's see about land pollution. What is meant by land pollution? Mixing of harmful substances such as chemicals and waste which cannot be decomposed with the soil is called land pollution. Land pollution is also called as soil pollution. What are harmful substances? Agriculture waste, domestic waste, industrial waste, fertilizers, pesticides, etc. In this, agriculture waste includes fertilizer and pesticides, and domestic waste consists of glass and plastics. The industrial waste consists of chemicals. And these harmful substances polluted the land. These wastes reduce the quality and fertility of the soil. And what is water pollution? Mixing of harmful waste in water bodies is called water pollution. Drains from towns and cities carry dirty water containing domestic waste and industrial waste to rivers, lakes, or seas. Some amount of agricultural waste also pollute the water bodies. And the polluted water cause diseases such as diarrhea and typhoid in humans. To reduce water pollution, the polluted water should be treated with chemicals to reduce its harmful effects before releasing it into water bodies. And the next one is air pollution. Air pollution means mixing of poisonous and harmful gases with the air is called air pollution. விஷமுள்ள கெடுதல் விளைவிக்கக்கூடிய விஷயங்கள் காற்றோட கலந்ததுன்னா அதுக்கு பேர் air pollution. When we use fuels like coal, petrol, and diesel, these fuels are burnt and they release harmful gases as smoke into the air. This smoke makes the air polluted and unfit for breathing. To reduce the air pollution, we should start using environment-friendly fuels in our vehicles. And the next thing is biodegradable and non-biodegradable waste. Waste such as fruit and vegetable peels, items made of wood and paper usually decompose. The rotten and decomposed waste get mixed with the soil and change into manure. Such waste which decomposes is called biodegradable waste. அதாவது காய்கறி ஃப்ரூட்ஸ், அதாவது பழங்கள், இதோட தோல், அப்புறம் பேப்பரு, வுட்டு, இதெல்லாம் என்ன ஆகும்னு சொன்னால் மண்ணோட மக்கி போய் அதுக்கு உரமாக மாறும். இதெல்லாம் பயோடீக்ரேடபிள் வேஸ்ட் அப்படின்னு சொல்லலாம். அதே சமயம் நான் பயோடீக்ரேடபிள் வேஸ்ட் அப்படின்னா கிளாஸ், பிளாஸ்டிக், மெட்டல் அண்ட் ரப்பர் இதெல்லாம் என்ன ஆகாது, மண்ணோட மக்கி போகாது, டீகம்போஸ் ஆகாது. இந்த மெட்டீரியல் எல்லாம் நான் பயோடீக்ரேடபிள் வேஸ்ட் அப்படின்னு சொல்லலாம். அண்ட் த நான் biodegradable waste remain unchanged for a long time in the soil and thus pollute the soil. And the next important thing is 3 R's. That means reduce, reuse and recycle. Once again, I'll repeat. 3R stands for reduce, reuse, and recycle. Reduce means we should reduce our consumption of resources. For example, we can save land or soil by cutting less trees, and we can save electricity by switching off fans and lights which are not in use. Reuse, which means the things that can be used more than one time in order to achieve optimum utilization of resources. For example, waste plastic containers and glass bottles can be used for storing purposes in the kitchen and in gardens for planting new plants. And the third one is recycle, which means we should recycle the things which are waste. For example, waste paper can be recycled using paper made. And also, the waste paper used to prepare greeting cards and to wrap up books. Some plastics can be recycled and used to make things like flower pots, tubs, and furniture. So, our environment includes all living and non-living things. The harmful substances in land, water, and air that can cause harm to humans and other living organisms is called pollution. Mixing of harmful substances means chemicals and waste with the soil is called soil pollution. Mixing of harmful waste with water bodies is called water pollution. Mixing of poisonous and harmful gases with the air is called air pollution. And the waste are classified as biodegradable waste and non-biodegradable waste. Biodegradable waste means they can decompose, and non-biodegradable means they cannot decompose. And the following 3 R's are reduce, reuse, and recycle. The follow 3 R's are help in making our environment clean and safe for living. And the next lesson is Mother Earth, keep it green. We all know our earth is very beautiful. Is it still beautiful? No, isn't it? Because our population is increasing day by day. To meet the needs of this increasing population, people have started cutting down trees. People cut trees to make houses, furniture, and to grow crops on that land. Cutting down of trees has resulted in the loss of habitat of many wild animals. These leading to the extinction of these animals as they do not have a home to live and food to eat. Trees are very important for us because they give us oxygen to breathe. They help in bringing rain, and their roots hold the soil firmly, thus help in reducing soil erosion, and they give us fruits, vegetables, and medicines, and they provide shelter for us. They give us wood for making furniture, paper, and also fiber for making clothes. Deforestation. What is meant by deforestation? Cutting down of trees in large numbers is called deforestation. Deforestation-na நிறைய மரங்களை அழிக்கிறது. அதுக்கு பேர் தான் deforestation. And afforestation means planting of trees in an area where there were no forest is called afforestation. அதாவது மரங்கள் இல்லாத இடத்துல மரங்களை நட்டு காடுகளை உருவாக்குனா அதுக்கு பேர் afforestation. Reforestation means re-establishment of forest cover either naturally or artificially is called reforestation. Reforestation அப்படின்னா அழிஞ்சு போன காட்டை மறுபடி நேச்சுரலாவோ இல்லை ஆர்டிஃபிஷியலாவோ நம்ம உருவாக்குனா அதுக்கு பேர் ரீஃபாரஸ்டேஷன், அதாவது மறுகாடு ஆக்குதல் அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறாங்க. ஸோ afforestation means plantation of trees in an area where there were no forest is called afforestation, and deforestation means cutting down of trees in large number is called deforestation, and reforestation means the establishment of forest cover either naturally or artificially is called reforestation. Besides planting trees, we can also save our Mother Earth in the following ways. We should not waste paper. We should use both sides of paper and send emails instead of using paper. We should avoid cutting trees. We should replace paper towels with washable towels or hand dryers. Instead of burning paper, try to recycle it. And we should encourage the programs like Vana Mahotsav, and we should adopt a tree in that day. We are celebrating 5th of June as World Environment Day and 22nd April as Earth Day. People should be made aware about their responsibilities towards Mother Earth. So we should plant more and more trees to save the earth. Okay, children. Now let's revise our exam pattern. And the first pattern is choose the correct option. In lesson 12, the first one is this force helps in stopping a moving object. This force helps in stopping a moving object. The answer is frictional. Frictional force that helps in stopping a moving object. 2. This machine is used to cut hard objects and open lids? The answer is lever. The lever is used to cut the hard objects and open lids. 3. Which of the following statements is correct about simple meshing? The answer is D. All of these. Means they can change the direction of the force applied. They help us to do work with less effort. They make our work faster and easier. So, all the statements is correct. 4. The ultimate source of energy is the sun. Answer is the sun. 5. Electricity produced by the energy of flowing dash is called hydroelectricity. The answer is B. Water. Hydro means water, isn't it? So, the answer is water. Lesson 13. Our environment. First one. Fuel that makes the air polluted and unfit for breathing is? The answer is all of these, which means coal, petrol, diesel. These all makes the air polluted and unfit for breathing. So the answer is D. All of these. 2. Typhoid and diarrhea are the two diseases caused by? The answer is C. Polluted water. Typhoid and diarrhea are caused by the polluted water. 3. This is an environment-friendly fuel. The answer is CNG. That means compressed natural gas. The environment-friendly fuel is CNG. 4. Fruit and vegetable peels, wood and paper are examples of? Answer is B. Biodegradable waste. Fruit and vegetable peels, wood and paper are biodegradable waste. And 5. The 3 R's stands for reuse, reduce and recycle. Again I will repeat, the 3 R's stands for reuse, reduce and recycle. Lesson 14. First one. Which statement is not true about trees? The answer is A. They give us carbon dioxide to breathe. Because they give us oxygen to breathe, isn't it? So, the statement is they give us carbon dioxide to breathe is not true. 2. Cutting down of trees has resulted in? Answer B. Global warming. Cutting down of trees has resulted in global warming. 3. We obtain dash from trees. Answer D. All of these, because we get wood, paper, fiber, everything from trees. So, the answer is all of these. 4. We can save our earth by B. Planting more trees. We can save our earth by planting more trees. 5th of June is celebrated as, the answer is C. World Environment Day. 5th of June is celebrated as World Environment Day. And now the second pattern, that is true or false. Page number 117. 1. Cutting down of trees in large number is called reforestation. The statement is false, because cutting down of trees in large number is called deforestation. So, reforestation is false. 2. Our population is decreasing day by day. The answer is false, because our population is increasing day by day. So, the statement is false. 3. Topsoil can be easily eroded in the absence of trees. The answer is true, because the roots of trees hold the soil firmly. So, the answer is true. 4. Animals give us fruits, vegetables, and medicines. The statement is false, because trees gives us fruits, vegetables, and medicines. So, the statement is false. 5. Destroying trees has resulted in the loss of homes of many wild animals. The statement is true,